Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to focus on selfies category. At the second position here we have save selfies as preview option, with short info from the device that this saves selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. By using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need, so this is our mirror effect. And of course when you need to use this and want to do it correctly, you have to remember to change back camera to the front one by tapping on this button from the right. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.